Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Baseus Encok W3. So to perform the reset, first of all we have to put our earbuds into the pairing mode, and when you are connected with your device you cannot basically do this, so we have to remove them. So let's disconnect them, then forget. There we go. And right now you have to close this case. If you cannot pair this earbuds with your phone, you will basically skip that step. You have to also remember to charge your earbuds and the case for like 20 minutes before this hard reset process. And then you have to simply open this charging case. And when you do this, after a few seconds, the indicators on the earbuds will start blinking. Let me show you. As you can see, they are blinking right now. Take a look for the left one. It's not good visible, but I think that right now we can see that the indicators are blinking. And right now when they are blinking, we have to quickly tap 3 times on the both earbuds, and this gesture, the touchpad is located right here in this place. So we can basically tap on this indicators. So let's do this right now. 1, 2, 3. They will turn to the red, as you can see, and right now it's finished. So that's how we can perform the hard reset. Right now we can just put them back to the case, close it, just open after this indicator disappear. There we go. And right now you will find that they are in the pairing mode one more time. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.